press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello children, I hope you are safe staying at home. Okay children, in our yesterday's class what we have discussed? In our yesterday's class we have discussed how to do the bar graphs on a graph sheet, correct? Here in this class just we are discussing what we have discussed in the 6th class only. Okay, what we are going to discuss means chance and probability. Chance and probability. What is chance? What is chance? Just I'll give one example in our real life. After that we will discuss about the definition of chance. Okay, suppose a real example just I am giving now. Suppose a coin is flipped. A coin is tossed up. A coin is flipped. Okay, a coin is flipped or coin is tossed. How many possibilities are there for us to get the outcome? Whether we will get head or of course we will get tail. Correct? A coin is flipped. Okay, a coin is flipped. Whether we will get head or tail. Namgu head anna baro chances irutte. Otherwise we will get tail. Okay, only two outcomes. Only two outcomes are there. Okay, a dice is drawn. Okay, a dice is thrown. A dice is thrown or tossed. A dice is thrown or tossed. Dice. Correct. It will have 6, 5, 4, 1 dice. There, how many outcomes are there? It has 6 faces, that's why it has 6 outcomes. Correct? 6 outcomes are there when we use it to toss that. When we use it to toss or throw that, how many output we will come? We can come. We have a possibility to get 1. We have a possibility to get 2. We have a possibility to get 3. We have a possibility to get 5. We have a possibility to get 6. We have a possibility to get 7. No, we can't. We are throwing only 1 dice. That's why there is only possibility of getting 6 outcomes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we will decide when we are going to decide a situation like today Ramesh is coming to the school. Okay, Ramesh is coming to school or not. Ramesh, whether he will come or not come. Avanu barbodu, barlardena irbodu. Correct? Sometimes it will in true situation. Sometimes it is false. Correct? Ramesh anavunu in some situations he will come. Otherwise, if he is in sickness or illness, he will not come. Correct? If he has any problem andre, he will not come. We have 2 possibilities. The Ramesh will come or not come. 2 possibilities are there. Okay. The sun rises in east. The sun rises in east. The sun rises in east. This is correct. It will happen. Daily we are seeing the sun rises in east. It will happen. It is possible. Correct? It is possible and daily it is happening in our life. Correct? Okay. And the statement is like this. The sun rises in west. The sun rises in 1 minute. How we have to tell? The sun rises in west. The sun will rise in west? No, it will end. Correct? West. Whether the sun will rises in west, it is obviously it is impossible. What here we are telling? Whether the given statement is true, possible or not. The chances we are verifying, we are judging. Otherwise we are giving the information about the given sentence. The sun rises in east. The sun rises in east. It is possible. And the sun rises and it is going to be certain to be happen. And the sun rises in west. It is impossible. Just false or true. ಅದು ಕೊಡಲಾರ್ದೇನು ನಮಗೆ 3 statement. Chances ಏನೇನು ಇರುತ್ತೆ? Sun easterly, he will rise or he can't rise or it is not impossible. Okay, just I am giving example. The sun, how many chances are there? Whether whatever the situation is there, okay, whether whatever the situation is there, okay, the coin is flipped. How many outcomes are there? 2 outcomes are there. Whether we will get tail or whether we will get the head. Correct? Only 2 outcomes are there. Correct? Just we are telling that is going or not. Correct? Head will come. In situations head will come, and in some situation the tail will come. In some situation the head will come. In some situation the tail will come. Correct? That what they are telling, the chance means there are some situation in our life that are certain to happen. Head and tail irutte. Correct? Idanna barutte. Correct? They are certain to happen. They are certain to happen. Some are impossible. The statement like the sun rises in west. It is impossible. Correct? It is impossible. And one example what I have given, Ramesh will come to school today. Sometimes he will come or sometimes he will not come. 3 types of possibilities, 3 types of chances are there for any situation, for any statement. When we are judging that, 3 types are there. One is certain to happen, that means possible tara. Certain to happen. And second one is impossible, it will not happen. And third one is may or may not happen. May or may not happen. May or may not happen. Okay, just when a dice is thrown, we will get 7 as an outcome. It will come only dice when we use it to toss. How we will come 7? It is obviously we can tell that we can easily we can tell like 7 outcome barutte andre it is impossible. Correct? It is impossible. In our earlier classes what we are doing andre just we are telling whether it is true or not. Whether it is true or not. Here just we are giving exactly, it is not impossible. Sometimes it will come but it is not coming. It is certain to happen. Idu agutte, idu agode illa. And sometimes it will happen and it is not going to be happen now. Like that, just chances are there. In next exercise we will give some statements they will give. We have to judge that statement whether it is certain to happen or impossible and may or may not be happen. And one statement I am giving, in mathematics we are learning grammar. In mathematics we are learning grammar. In grammar where we will get grammar, basics are there in mathematics. Correct? That statement is obviously impossible. And an ant will grow 3 meters height. An ant will grow 3 meters height. How we can tell? An ant is like only 1 inch or half inch. Correct? The height of an ant is half inch or 1 inch. How we can tell that the ant will grow 3 inches? Obviously it is impossible. Obviously it is impossible. Correct? Okay, India winning the next test series. India, one test series is going in the next month. The India is going to win that test series. Adu win agbodu, win aglarde irbodu. Certain to happen anta now ankuntivi, but we can't tell. Correct? May or may not. In future it is going to be happen alla. That's why we can tell that the India can win. Sometimes it will win, sometimes it will not, correct? In our next examination in PT1, just I will get the good marks, more than 95%, may or may not happen. It will, sometimes he will get, Surya will get 95% above, sometimes he will not get, correct? He may be get 35% also, may or may not, it is predictable, correct? We can't tell. And the sun rises in east, certain to happen, it has to happen every day, correct? The sun rises in east, just we are eating our lunch daily at afternoon, it has to be certain to happen, correct? And probability means, in physics also we already discussed, what is probability? The possibility of getting anything, the possibility of getting anything. Okay, head and tail, when a coin is tossed, head and tail tagunana. Number of outcome, probability andre enu, we have a formula in 6th also. Probability equals to number of favorite outcomes divided by number of favorite outcomes divided by total number of outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes. Probability andre is nothing but a possibility of a given thing, correct? Possibility of a given thing. One toss maddaga, when we use it to toss one coin, we will get a two possibilities, head and tail. That possibility in mathematics terminology, what it is andre probability. Aita true or false, atara according to the situation we have to, in statistics we will tell differently, but here up to you. Probability means just how to find the probability of a certain event andre number of favorite outcomes divided by the number. Probability means, just I am giving the definition, the probability formula is enough for you. Probability is a number that reflects the chance or likelihood, that means favoriteness, that particular event is happened, that particular event will occur or happen. Probability is a number, probability another one number that reflects the chance or likelihood, means favorite thing, that particular event will occur. When a coin is tossed, that only just I am giving the example because it will be familiar for you Allah. When a coin is tossed, we will get two outcomes, head and tail, correct? I want to get a head, that is nothing but favorite. How many number of favorite outcomes I have? Only one, I want head. And then total number of outcomes, how many possibilities are there to get head? How many possibilities are there? Head and tail, two possibilities are there, correct? Two possibilities are there, therefore the probability of getting head, the probability of getting the event head when it is tossed, the probability of getting head when a coin is tossed, we will have, what is that under? Number of outcomes divided, number of favorite outcomes divided by total number of outcomes, that is nothing but ನಮ್ಮ favorite ಏನು only head ಬರೋದು ನನಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ, that's why I keep here one, and number of outputs we will get two, correct? Chance andre just it is nothing but just we are judging not, we are telling whether it is certain or may it is happening, sometimes it will happen and sometimes it will not, and it is exactly the sun rises in west, it will not happen, impossible, it cannot happen, like that. Just it is what we are by reading that sentence, just we are telling about the certainty of that of that statement. Okay, just move on to the exercise now. In the exercise also some statements they have given, we have to tell. And some examples for you people. If you take a circle with larger area, than its radius will also be bigger. True. Just we take a bigger circle, what they are telling? Then the radius also bigger one. Correct. Here if you take it is certain to happen. If you want the bigger circle, andre we have to take the bigger radius only. If you want to do smaller circle, means we have to take the smaller radius. Correct. If the radius increases, then the circle is also increases. How we will give the chance for this situation? Certain to happen. If you want the bigger circle, andre you have to give the bigger radius. If you take a cube of larger value, its side will also be larger. If you if you want a bigger cube with bigger value, andre the length of the side is also bigger. Good, correct, certain to be happen. Just you have to read the sentence and tell whether it is certain to happen or impossible or may not happen. May or may not happen andre just it will happen but it is not happening, like that the situation. First one, exercise 3.4, tell whether the following is certain to happen. Some statements they have given, we have to tell whether the statements are certain to happen or impossible or may not be happen. Can happen but not certain. Can happen but not certain. First one, you just I'll write the sentences first, after that I'll explain. You are older than yesterday. You are older than yesterday. A tossed coin will land heads up. A tossed coin will hand heads up. Third one, a die when tossed. A die when tossed shall land up with 8 on up. Fourth one, the next traffic light sign will be green. The next traffic light sign is green. Next, tomorrow will be a cloudy day. Tomorrow, this all is future tense. So tomorrow will be a cloudy day. children, here just what we have to tell, we have to tell whether the situation, tell whether the following situations, following statements is certain to happen, impossible and can happen but not happening. Like that the given situations are there, we have to predict them. You are older than yesterday. Nanu, you are older. That means ನಿನ್ನಗಿನ್ನ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ದೊಡ್ಡವನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Correct? You are older than yesterday means just you are grown up a little than yesterday. Correct? Correct andre what we have to choose? Certain. It is certain to happen. It is certain to happen. What they are telling in the question? You are older than yesterday. What? Yesterday you are just grown up a little than yesterday. Correct. That's why I put it is certain to happen. It is certain to happen. A tossed coin will give heads up. So it has two outcomes, tail or head. Sometimes it will give head, sometimes it will not give head. That's why we have to write here it is future. We didn't toss the coin at all. Just we are telling the coin will is there. If you observe a tossed coin will hand heads up. What it can happen but can't certain andre now guarantee kodakku agalla. It can happen but not certain. It is not guaranteed but it can happen. Sometimes it will not be. A die when tossed shall land up with 8 on top. One die, just one die used to toss. Correct? Toss. Only we will get. What they are telling? Just only we will get 8. 8 outcome ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. 8 we can't. Had I will in the starting of the class only I already told you people that a coin is used to toss, then we will get only 6 outcomes. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Correct? 8 we have no. When we use it to toss it 2 dice andre we will get 8 as an outcome. Correct? 6 undrali 2, like that outcomes will be there. But here only one die is they are tossing, they are expecting 8 as a top. Impossible. It is impossible. Like that we have to write. It is impossible. The next traffic light seen is green. The next traffic light, what they are telling in the traffic light signal, the next traffic light seen is, what they are telling, the next traffic light is going to be blink is green. Sometimes it will give green, sometimes it will give yellow, sometimes it will give red. Okay, the probability ange elkondu 1/3, like that it will come. Sometimes it will come and sometimes it will not come. Sometimes it will come and sometimes it will not come. That's why what you have to write, it can happen but not certain. Sometimes it will come, sometimes it will come. It will sometimes it will certain but sometimes it will not come. Correct? Now just if you observe one thing, like these cases only the probability we are taking, impossible, certain to happen antadu ella now we are not considering for the probability. Just can happen but not certain, can happen but not certain anaduke now we are finding probability. You have to keep that one in your mind. Tomorrow will be a cloudy day. Tomorrow will be a cloudy day. Tomorrow how? It is rainy or it is summery, it is sunny day. We can't tell. Sometimes it will be cloudy day, sometimes it will not. It will certain sometimes but it is not. We can't tell. Correct? On that time what we have to tell? Tomorrow will be cloudy day. It can happen. It can happen but not certain. We can't give guarantee for that. Correct? First, you are older than yesterday. Yesterday gina just today I have grown up a little. That is certain. Obviously, it is correct thing like the sun rises in east. Correct? That's why I wrote there. It's certain to happen. A tossed coin will get heads up. Sometimes it will give, sometimes it will not give. We can't predict that one. Correct? It can happen but not certain. A die when tossed shall land up with 8 on top. 8. It is impossible that we can't tell it is impossible. Correct? We can't tell that the die when used to thrown 8 will come. That's why I wrote there it is impossible. And then the next traffic light seen is green. Sometimes it will give red, yellow, green. We can't tell. That's why I used to wrote there. It can happen but not certain. Tomorrow will be a cloudy day. Tomorrow we can't tell. Today only we can't tell tomorrow is cloudy day or sunny day or it is very summer or winter. We can't tell that. Correct? That's why I wrote here. It can happen but not certain. It can happen but not certain. And just I am moving to the next problem, second one. There are 6 marbles in a box. 6 marbles in a box with numbers 1 to 6 marked on each of them. 1 to 6 marked on each of them. Marked on each of them. They have 2 questions there. What is probability? Probability of drawing a marble with number 2. With number 2. What is probability of drawing a marble with number 5. With number 5. Okay, children. Probability. We have a formula. What we have a formula? Probability is nothing but number of favorite outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Number of favorite outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes. Okay, total number of favorite outcomes. How many favorite outcomes we will get when a coin, when a marble, when a dice is thrown? 6. Correct. Number of favorite outcomes. Here what we are expecting? Only one outcome, that is 2, that is 1. Correct? Just we are. How many outcomes we are expecting here? Only 1. Correct? That is 2. We are getting 1 by 6 here. 1 by 6 here. And the next, what is the outcome for us people to get? 5. Same we have to write here probability. Formula you have to write here, number of favorite outcomes. Just here ಏನನ ನಮಗೆ 2, 6, 5, 6 if it is there andre 3 favorite outcomes are there and the 3 by 6 we will write like that. Number of favorite outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes. No, number of favorite outcomes are there 5. Only we want 5. That's why only 5 we are want. We are liking. Okay. 1 by total number of outcomes when a dice is thrown 6. Therefore, the probability of getting 2 is 1 by 6 and the probability of getting 5 is 1 by 6. Chances, how many chances are there for getting 200? 1 by 6 chances are there. There 5 gunu 1 by 6 chances. And just I am going to the last problem of this chapter and exercise also. A coin is flipped. A coin is flipped. A coin is flipped to decide which team starts. The game. What is probability that your team will start? What is probability that your team will start? Here what is there in the question means a coin is flipped. That means a coin is tossed to decide which team starts the game. Which team is going to start the game? Which team has to play first? What is the probability that our team will start? What is the probability of our team will start? How many outcomes are there when a coin is tossed? 2 outcomes. One is head and another one is tail. Okay. How many outcomes are there when a coin is tossed? When a coin is tossed, only 2 outcomes are there. What are there? Head and tail. Suppose I wanted to, my team want. Suppose head, if a coin is tossed and head will come under, our team will start the game and tail under either team. Okay. How many chances are there to get the head? ನಂದೆಷ್ಟು ನನಗೆ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿರುತ್ತೆ I want my favorite outcome has to be head. Correct? And then total number of outcomes 2. Probability ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 by 2. What they are asking? We have to find the probability that our team will start. Okay. Now, I want to get the head because I wanted to start my team first. Correct? And then I want the only head to come. That means how many outcomes I wanted to get? Only 1. My favorite outcome is 1 and 1, that is head, and tail I don't want. That is not necessary. And total number of outcomes are there when a coin is flipped? 2 outcomes. Correct? You have to write now the probability of a coin is given. A coin is flipped. Solution. A coin is flipped. To decide which team will start the game. Probability. Our team will give probability directly you can write. Otherwise you can write our team will win only when the head will come. Probability of our team starting the game. Equals to number of favorite outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes. Number of outcomes I want my favorite ಏನು head will come andre that is my favorite. How many outcomes I want to get? 1. And how many possibilities are there? Head and tail. 1 by 2. This one will be the probability of getting our starting. 1 by 2 is probability that our team will start. 1 by 2 is therefore we have to write therefore 1 by 2 is probability that our team will start the game. Okay children, I hope you understand the chance and probabilities today's topic. Thank you children.